We've had invitation to come back here on Monday for a match if there's anybody interested in coming back on Monday. If you've had enough of it, then fair enough, I can accept that. Tomorrow's going to be a play day here if anybody wants to come and have a play, bit of practice, and we'll be trying to persuade one or two of these lads here to come and join us and give them a bit of tuition and show them how to go on, or hopefully we will. So that's tomorrow. As I say, on Monday, 2 or 3 of the people who couldn't come today have requested coming on Monday, and Bob said we can have a match here on Monday if we want to. So if you want to come Monday, give us an idea how many before you go, so we can see how many plots we've got to knock out. And next thing is, I know we don't usually have to next thing is we've got to do a little bit of a presentation to the judges. I think we ought to leave this until they've seen the score sheet really, because it might not be worth giving to them. So if you can come this way, gentlemen, please. You're welcome. Thank you very much. Thank you. Right. We'll now read out the scores. Well, the score positions. We're starting with Classic. Third was Bronstein. Can I just say before we go any farther, because there's only 2 or 3 in some of the classes, we haven't paid out more than first place. Because there is a bit of money in there besides the cards. But where there's been several of you, we've paid first, second and third, others it's only first or second. Second in the Classic is Jeff Bonser.
Hey, well done, Jeff.
Thank you, Jeff. First place goes to Bob Butley.
Yes, yeah.
Well done, Bob. Ferguson T20, third Ron Turner. Well done, Ron. Second, Mr. Oldham. I don't know what you've heard.
Hey, well done, Rob.
Say Mr. Oldham. Robert did it. Well done, Robert. First is John Kitchen.
He's getting his reputation back.
Watch him, John, he's licking yours now.
Well done, John.
He's casting up again.
Horticulture. Second, Graham Brown. First, Dave Williams. Fail. Third place is the man who's going up, driving up and down there, getting some practice in. Second is John Gamble. Well done, John. First is Brian Green.
Oh, Brian.
Sorry. Yeah.
You say his wheel fell off as well?
He's
That
put
came
us up
through the
to
post. Well done, Brian.
Deserved to take it all, that is.
Right. Leaves us with mounted. Second, John Cooper. Well done, John. And first, myself.
Any money in there, Brian?
Steward's inquiry, yeah.
Hold on.
I'll have a steward's inquiry,
If
John.
you want to have a look, and don't forget, if you want to plough on Monday, please let us know so we can get the plots shipped out tomorrow.